YouTube fam, this is Christian Knife Guy, and I have a product review here for you, kind of like a first impressions. Came in the mail. This is kind of like a budget security system for your home. Now, this by means is what fits my needs, what I need, what me and my wife were looking for in a security system. We wanted something more self-monitoring, so we didn't have the monthly bill. Something we could kind of keep an eye on things and know what was going on and be notified. Now, if I'm saying this to let you know that this right here can't have any service to it, you would have to notify the authorities yourself. So by purchasing this, we knew that and we were okay with that because that's what we were looking for the price. This is the Skylink sk250 model. If you go to the website for Skylink, I'll try to put the link to the website in the description if I remember to do that. This is a little bit more pricey on their website to order it. We got this from Amazon for $140 shipped to the house. So it came like this, didn't come in a separate box. It was simply like this. So this is kind of like a, you know, it's damaged, the box is damaged. I'm sure the contents are okay. I'm sure they don't throw everything loosely. Even the tab was barely hanging on there. It just kind of fell off just now. The thing is kind of on here. I'm hoping everything's still in here. You never know with the U.S. Postal Service now if anything's missing or not. So hopefully this video also will assure that, you know, all the contents are here and I have proof. So we'll kind of finish opening it because it looks like it's already been open. Okay, we have the camera right off the bat. Now, they sell this separately, the camera separately. You can always add the camera to your package at a later date. This is a 3 megapixels, which is not very high. It's an indoor camera only, so this will not work on the outside. That's the next thing we want to do, is try to figure out what we can do for the outside. So I'm just going to kind of smooth this out of the way and make sure everything's here that's supposed to be here. Okay, it looks like the camera's here. It's got directions here, wires for it. You get a wall adapter for it. That's good. Ethernet cable. USB. It's like some type of a mount. This is a special tool that you can use for your iPhone too. This is for like getting an SD card. So I wonder if this takes an SD card. I'm not quite sure. I haven't read too much into how to install this or how all of it works. I just know that it's self-monitoring and it works with your smartphone. It's compatible with all these app stores up front with Google Play and the App Store from Apple. What is this here? Just a box of hardware. Comes with the little sticker things, sticky pads, some screws, little box of hardware, cardboard spacer, user manual, kind of goes over the features of this model, which is going to come in handy when it comes time to hook it up. A foam pad, more spacing room. What is in here? This is a box with wires. So far, I have not found the other stuff that's supposed to be here. Power cable, Ethernet cord. This should be for the base, like the home station, which I'm assuming this is the home station. Yes, it is the home station. Okay, home station is here. What is this right here? Oh. Stickers for your thing, protected by Skylink. Alarm system monitor 24/7. these are going to be pointless if someone wanted to research and find out that Skylink was a self-monitoring system. They're going to be like, oh, well, I'm just breaking anyways, because the police won't be notified, so I'll only have even longer. But it just assures, okay, yep, it looks like I'm supposed to have a hand remote. Maybe that's it right there. Okay, you get 2 motion detectors, and they're small. They're small. We don't have a big, gigantic house. And 2 door sensors, which here's one. Here's a door sensor. Okay, here's the other door sensor. And here's the remote. This is what's nice, is it works with your Alexa, so you could be like, Alexa, arm my security system. And it'll arm it, and then when you're locking up at home, you hit your lock button. It arms it. You need to unlock it. You're here, you hit this right here. So it comes with a little remote, which is nice. So you won't get notifications. Not like it's going to notify the authorities, but so you don't get notifications on your phone. Hey, something's happening here. Well, I know something's happening because it's me that's doing it. So we will obviously throw all of this in here. These are door sensors. You get magnetic door sensors. Hopefully they didn't hurt because they were stuck together. And I'm not mistaken, I'm not quite sure how this works. I think it has to run off a battery. I think you gotta take this apart somehow. Probably because this has to screw in something. Oh, here we go. Yes, this takes a battery. This takes a AAA. And then it would slide right on here. I'm hoping these all link themselves, because I'm not quite sure how. And it snaps right on. And then it connects to this, so then when the connection is broken, it removes. So one part has to be screwed on, I believe, because the pads that they give me does not come with, maybe it does. I have to go over the user's instruction manual. Maybe it will tell me where to put them, how to put them on here. Nope, it tells you how to do the link and how to do that, how to connect. Everything takes batteries. Okay, what's nice about the base is the base plugs in for power. Then it has the batteries for internal power, just in case the power goes out. But here's the thing, everything's connected through Wi-Fi to send you notifications. So if the power goes out, your wireless Wi-Fi modem's gonna go out too, because it runs on power too. So this is not gonna do any good for you at all. I guess they didn't think about that. Hopefully I can install this right. Motion detectors can go about the center of the room. We'll probably do them in the corner or something. I wonder if we can link other motion sensors to this, or how far the range is. Well, when we get this activated, we'll go over any problems and kind of talk about what's all involved in getting it going. So, all right, thank you. And hit that subscribe button for more great content that's coming your way. Okay, we got it all installed. This is the model number we got. Again, going over this. My wife set the app up on her phone to activate it and stuff. It's a little challenging We put this in on the back door above where they're able to fit. It's set now to where when we open the door, it kind of dings on the hub. It's in our living room. When it's set, it will siren when it's open. I have a motion, one of the motions set up here. I put the tape on wrong. So I got to move it anyway, so I got to take it off. I'm actually going to mount it in the corner, but I need to turn it upside down because this monitors the lower portion of the room. All right. We have a big dog, as you'll see here in a minute, and he sets it off. So it needs to be changed. And then we have one here that I need to turn upside down. That's in that corner, and that's going to monitor this portion of the living room. I had to put this one on the bottom of the door from the way that they stick on. As you can see, there's no way I'm going to be able to mount it here to where the door swings open. You know, break it right off there. So this way I was able to hook it at the bottom for it to go. Then inside here, the hub has to be plugged into your internet router. So that's the hub right here, and this is where the sound and all comes from. The camera has to hook, because the camera could be a separate just for surveillance. So it all has to be hooked in with that too. It's not Wi-Fi covered. I thought it was. It's not. It's supposed to be though. I ain't figured out how to do that yet. So you got your power cord because you gotta have power, but I believe you can remove that, but it's plugged into that. So that's kind of like surveillance, and it swivels. It's got great coverage for the black and white. We also have the handheld remote hooked up too, but are not using it currently. So we're gonna get some window term sensors, and they're gonna go off. There's our big dog. That's why we need to flip the sensors upside down, because he, when we're not here, he roams free. We just shut the door to the upstairs and the bathroom and our bedroom that is downstairs, so he just kind of can move between the living room, dining room, and kitchen is where he can roam. But yep, that's why we have to flip him upside down, because it's picking him up.